Hey everyone, welcome back to Fun Plain Makeup. We're gonna have a wonderful time. I am still testing my lights, so hopefully you will get to see this. And it is already have a blue eye look on, and that's in another video. Check it out. I am going to play with some orange. I already have a full face foundation, so I don't know how the orange is going to play with it, but let's hope it plays well with it. I'm just going to use my hand with the orange. Let's see if this works well for me. I am not sure. I might have to spray my face with some setting spray. So let's see what happens. This is the orange so far. Hopefully it's coming up. This is the orange. This is the first part, to be continued in a few minutes. Tell me what you think so far. What is it looking like? I started under my eyes and I forgot to record, so I'm just going to do it again to show you what I did.